Okay, Evie, hard at work planting, helping.
I thought you were just talking to yourself. Just like...
You're funny.
Oh my goodness.
You know, Grandma.
Of course.
I gotta get my YouTube people. We have 344 subscribers now.
Wow.
Working for more. I lost 2 last week, maybe 3, but we'll get more.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'll have to put Papa on. They like him better.
Where do you want this one?
It doesn't matter. You can put him in there beside it, yeah. Do you want a water?
Yeah.
This one actually looks like a garden because we put plants in it. The other one just has seeds, so nobody knows. Nobody knows what it will look like. There's water.
Gotta see me if I'm watering. Should I take the whole thing out?
No, just need to be wetted
I
down.
got a little water in earlier.
Yeah, the roots are so dry that they probably need watered in pretty good. I left them outside yesterday because it was raining and I thought that would help, but it didn't seem like it helped much.
Yeah.
We didn't get enough to really do anything.
They did look awfully dry.
That's probably good enough for this side. I get the other side. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with the last one. I'd like to put some squash, but I have lots of other seeds. I might actually have to rototiller up some ground to put some stuff in. So we only have 3 raised beds. Yeah, get the far side a little bit more, and then I think we'll call it good.
Oh, that breeze so fun.
Yeah, it does. Okay, that's good. We'll call it good. Yeah, a lot of the kids in gifted education are also special ed kids.
Mm-hmm.
Because, I don't know, somehow gifted and like being on the spectrum go together a lot of times.
Yeah, absolutely. And so I'd like to work with them.
You have a lot of patience, Evie. You would probably be good at it.
Yeah, and like some of my teachers went to wings themselves. So, like, I had a teacher in 8th grade. He didn't end up working at the school, but they have like a day where you get to visit the school. You can like students invite teachers.
Mm-hmm.
And he came and he was saying hi to all of his old teachers because he had told me when he was younger and they were still working there.
Well.
Thanks for watching, and I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. It would help us out a lot, and hit the thumbs up button. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I'd appreciate that also. Have a good day or night.